Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious combination pizza. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. Within 10 minutes, you can make your pizza at home. I'm going to show you today how to make homemade chicken sausages pizza, and let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make a dough. 2 cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, half cup vitamin D milk, and it's a lukewarm microwave for 20 seconds. If you have warm milk, that is fine. If not, put it in the microwave and we're going to give 20 seconds. And this is good enough. Half teaspoon each sugar, salt and baking powder, then vegetable oil and homemade dahi. The first step will be get a mixing bowl, get a big sieve. Only reason we're doing it, we're going to make sure that if there is any impurities in the flour, then we can catch it. Sugar, salt, baking powder. As you see, it's nice and clean. This is homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel how to make a dahi at home, which is curd, and I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. I'll bring this one so you can see it more clearly. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Four tablespoons dahi. Now we're going to add milk. Make sure your hands are very clean. Now mix it. This is the perfect measurements. Knead the dough for a couple minutes. After kneading the dough for 3 minutes, it's nice and smooth. You see, this is how the dough looks. So now you basically fold the dough from top to bottom, just like this. Add little oil and make sure it's nicely folded. You place it inside the ball and also do the same thing. Put a little oil on top of it. Get a plastic wrap, cover it. Make sure it's nicely sealed. So now we're going to place the dough inside the oven. That's the best thing to do for 2 hours. We're not going to start the oven. So we'll place it right in there and we'll come back after 2 hours. I have another dough prepared. We're going to take that one out. It's already 2 hours. We rested the dough for 2 hours, so it's ready. Traditional pizza sauce. Sauce I'm going to use, I have the sauce. Olive, bell pepper, I'm going to use the 3 kind. You can use any kind, whatever you like. Yellow color, red color, and green color. I cut into thin slices like this. Green chili, jalapeno, you can use it, but I'm using these serrano chilies. These are the chicken sausages I'm going to use, and this is how they look. They are fully cooked. So I cut into small pieces. Mushroom, cut into thin slices. Red onion, also cut into thin slices. You can use any type of cheese. This is the cheese I'm going to use. This is the shredded cheese is called pizza blend, and this one has a mozzarella and shredded cheese, and this is how it looks. And the second one is totally shredded mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to use both of these, and let's start rolling out the dough. We are all ready, and I'm going to use the tray. This is the oven tray. Get a brush and make sure that it's nicely coated. So it's very important when you're making a pizza. Either you have a big stone which is only for pizza. If you don't have that, then you can use your counter surface and make sure that it's very nicely clean. I'm going to make sure that with the paper towel. This is all-purpose flour. Dust off the counter just like this. We'll take the dough. So we're going to keep pressing it. Just like this. You can do it by hand or with the help of a rolling pin. It's a good idea that when you're using a rolling pin, brush it with vegetable oil. Just like this. And now we're going to roll out. Once the dough is flattened out like this, you can press it with the hand also, just like this. So as it's nicely pressed, I'll lift it up and we're going to place it in the tray. If you have a round tray, you can make it round, otherwise this is perfect. It's a good idea that once you flatten it, leave it for 5 minutes. And the time we are waiting, we're going to preheat the oven. So we'll use 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. So we're going to start it. So it will preheat. It started to preheat. At the time it's preheated, we're going to finish up laying out all the topping on pizza. Get a fork, and with the help of fork, at multi places. So just poke it. If you have a tool, then it's much easier. But if you don't, then use a fork. The time we're going to done with our toppings, oven will be preheated. This is how it's going to look. Now I'm going to get the pizza sauce. Put it right in the middle, then keep doing like this. After laying out the sauce, add cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. This is the chicken sausages. We're going to lay out. We're going to add onions also. Keep adding the topping according to your need, whatever you like. This is a good thing about it. When you make it at home, you can add meat as much as you want. And also, it tastes better. When you buy from store, they have limited things. So I'm going to get olive. As you see, my lady is putting the red bell pepper, onion, green chili, and yellow bell pepper. Add mushroom. After adding mushroom, now we're going to add pizza blend cheese. good layer of cheese, and these are green chili. These are really hot serrano chili. After adding the green chili, add thin layer of mozzarella cheese. Once it's going to be done, it's going to be really tasty. Prior to putting in the oven, use vegetable oil on the side edges. So this is all ready, and now we'll take this one to our oven. It's already at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. We're going to open the oven and we're going to place the pizza tray right in the middle. So once it's placed right in the middle, this is a perfect. We're going to close it, and I'll turn the light on so you can see it. And we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. So we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. We're going to say set, and as you see, it started already. 9 minutes, 54 seconds left. "10 minutes. The pizza is all ready. So I'm going to dismiss. We're going to cancel it. We're going to turn off. So now it's always a good idea, once it's done, leave it in there for a minute. Look at how delicious it's looking. After 10 minutes, we waited another minute. Now we're going to pull the pizza out. So we're going to pull it out. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. We need a pizza cutter. And we're going to take out the pizza. Look at this. Very delicious pizza. I have my cutting board ready. And look at this. It's just slides out. If we look at the bottom, look at the nice texture. And we're going to cut it. If I can show it to you, this is very delicious cheesy pizza. The bread texture is perfect. And if you like it, red chili flakes prior to serving. It's very delicious. So please try it, and you're going to like it. And like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.